Whatever you are, be a good one. I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. The best way to predict your future is to create it. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other one thing. Do the best you can until you know better. Then, when you know better, do better. I will prepare, and someday my chance will come. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Character is like a tree, and reputation its shadow. The shadow is what we think of it. The tree is the real thing. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. Commitment is what transforms a promise into reality. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your ears. Leave nothing for tomorrow which can be done today. Those who look for the bad in the people will surely find it. I walk slowly, but I never walk backward. You cannot build character and courage by taking away people's initiative and independence. No man is good enough to govern another man without that other's consent. I do not think much of a man who is not wiser today than he was yesterday. The dogmas of the quiet past are inadequate to the stormy present. I destroy my enemies when I make them my friends.